In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change emotes here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you do need to do is open up the character tab. So either go into like a festival site, a house, a garage, whatever it might be, and then tab over to characters up at the very top and then scroll down and you need to select customize character on here. Once you're in here, you need to go ahead and move over to the emote section. So just tab over, you'll see emotes on here towards like the very end. But in this emote section right here, you just need to move over and find whatever one it is that you want to go ahead and change. You can preview any of these ones that you've already unlocked. For example, we got the archer right here. Let's go ahead and do that one, right? Essentially, go ahead and select it and you could put it into 3 different options. You could put, like showboat, victory, garage, customizer. It's up to you. Let's go ahead and put it for victory. And then, of course, let's also go ahead and do it for garage customizer. And let's also do it for showboat as well. But that's going to be the full process right here. It really is as simple as that. The emote will then equip for that slot. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.